Hello the tube. Received another knife this morning. Bit of a toy knife really. Plastic handles from AliExpress. I paid £1.93. It's not too bad. It's awfully light. It's nice and sharp. Surprising really. No play in the blade once again. For the price. I know it's a cheap knife, I understand that, but it'll do for my little cheapy collection. I'll show some specs. Where we to? Right. My bad. Oh, price has gone up. From AliExpress. Bit of the specs. Sorry for the shaking once again. This is Ghillie on the blade. Like I said, it's plastic. I don't know. I like it. Don't get me wrong. Feels alright. I like how sharp it is. Like I said, it's a plastic handle. Lock knife. Oh, it's got a bit of a bite to it when you put it back. For the price, another one for me, AliExpress, thumbs up. Like I said, I know it's cheap, I understand that. But it'll do for the collection. Crappy collection, I know. For the price, happy days.